You know, one of the things I like about diners is they fill a need of that all-American food. And a lot of them are usually open 24 hours a day. But one of the things I really dig about diners is when they have that extra little flair. Kind of like here in Santa Cruz, California, where New Jersey-style diner meets Asian cooking. You gotta check out Santa Cruz Diner.
Salmon bowl coming up.
Is it often that you have a spring roll right before you bust into a burger?
This is an eating experience.
Chicken pho.
It's huge, very good.
Corned beef hash.
They've got everything.
Eggs Benedict, spicy Thai coconut soup.
This is the craziest menu I've ever seen. Thanks to Gil Kirchner, who grew up back east in diner country,
Okay, this one up.
and his wife, Kim,
Yeah.
who was born in Vietnam.
2 spring rolls coming up.
We moved over to this town. We didn't see that they had a good local diner.
You got that?
So they opened one back in '98.
Going out. Steaming bowl?
Had you both been in the restaurant business prior to this?
No.
What? No experience in the restaurant business?
No. But she could cook.
Salmon burger coming up. But I love to cook. I grew up in a big family. We share recipes. Tofu balls.
Now she's sharing them with the diner crowd. From rice bowls to Vietnamese spring rolls
That was excellent.
to pho, the traditional soup Kim grew up with. We are going to make pho,
Pho.
spelled P-H-O.
PHO. Rice noodle soup.
We get the beef pho, and it tastes really good.
Well, let's get started.
Okay, first we roast the seasoning. Star anise seed.
Now, star anise has kind of a licorice flavor to it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then about 2 handfuls of that.
And this is the
Coriander.
coriander. And some cloves, just a pinch.
Uh-huh.
Is that the right amount?
Yes, uh-huh.
Do I have my ratios correct?
Yes.
This is what I want you to see. Check that out. That's cinnamon. This is the actual cinnamon bark. So how much of this we put
We
in?
just break it up
Oh my gosh, that smells great.
in about 10 of those.
These are cardamom pods.
Yeah.
It has that really distinct flavor, kind of gives it the tang. And all that toasting is really gonna open the flavor.
Yeah, you can
You
really
can start to
smell
see
it.
the smell of
yes.
perfume right now. You just fill the bag up with these, tie it off. So we have our spices ready. Now what's the next step?
We add chicken bones.
You gotta make the broth.
Uh-huh.
The broth is chicken based.
Chicken base.
So we're gonna let that sit there and simmer, skim off all the fats,
And then we add
the roasted ginger, the roasted onions, and that all goes in. Okay,
Add
so
some
then the daikon
daikon.
radish, a little bit of that radish bite to it. Now, when does this go in?
You can put it in now. Soak it. And next we add the salt. This is sugar.
What is it?
It's a fish sauce.
Woo! I almost chugged it.
And this is the key.
I'm down with the fish sauce. That's gonna slowly go for about 6 hours, and that's the basis for our pho.
Pho. Cook the rice noodle.
So those are pre-blanched.
The eye of round.
Eye of round,
Thinly
yep.
sliced.
Yep.
Put on the beef.
It's gonna cook the meat right when the hot liquid gets on there. Look at this. Oh, mouse
And then
water.
we add cilantro and onions.
Some onions.
There you go.
When it comes to the table, you get this nice little goodie basket. Now, I like to get my Thai basil, a couple of jalapenos just to spice it up a little bit, and then some of the bean sprouts. These are actually my favorite. I'll show you one of my cheater tricks. I wrap it around the chopstick, and then I go. Oh my goodness. That is so good. One of my favorite things. Great noodle. The beef, look how thin that meat is sliced. It's enormous flavor, yet it's very light. That broth right there is as good as you'll find. That is crazy good. In a diner?
Steaming bowl of pho.
There's a warmth and a heartiness to the dish. It all comes together in just a wonderful broth.
It's very homemade taste.
Okay, folks, here we go.
There's something for everybody.
And the Alfredo.
Growing up on the East Coast, every diner has a big menu.
Same here. How many items are on this?
Many as we can fit.
French toast special. He wants to put things on, and I have to make it happen.
From diner classics like omelets to local favorites like shrimp and salmon cakes. Wow, you go, girl.
Spring roll.
But the real kicker here is still Kim's Vietnamese comfort food.
Never seen a spring roll in a diner menu before.
Spring rolls. So what are we starting off with?
Pork.
Salt water?
I don't put salt in. I don't cook with a lot of salt.
Just boiled in water.
Yes.
This was pork loin.
Yeah. Slice the meat.
Okay, you take the shrimp.
They just blanch in water. Again, I don't put salt in.
I know, I'm not asking for any more salt from you.
Okay, and then we split the shrimp in half.
And that makes it so they're easier
To wrap.
when you wrap them. How long have you been making these?
As long as I remember.
Ready to build one?
Yeah.
We're gonna take the tapioca paper, which looks like a food frisbee, and then we reconstitute it in some warm water.
Warm water.
And by the time it starts to absorb the water, it's about ready time to start rolling.
First, we start out with the lettuce and some rice noodle. Kind of spread it out. And next is the pork.
Okay, I like the way this is going.
And then mint, about 3 leaves. You put the shrimp like halfway. Put the pink side down so you can see the color.
that.
Okay, we start rolling. Just wrap it up and then wrap the side over. There you go. Perfect. Wow. You did it. just slice it in half, put it on a plate.
Little peanut sauce, the hoisin sauce, the water, peanut butter,
Peanut butter, liquid sugar.
and a little cornstarch to tighten it up.
Yeah, that's it.
Can't beat it.
Sprinkle some peanuts on top and just dip in it.
And that's it. You didn't season the pork or the shrimp. It's got enough flavor, but you don't need to put anything else to it. My favorite part about it is the mint.
Smells
And
wonderful.
It's really bright. It's great peanut sauce.
I'm glad that you like it.
Excellent, thank you.
Thank you.
The spring roll is wonderful. Really good.
Need to go.
It's a good menu. They're great people. Can't beat it.
There you go, sweetie.
You really say to yourself, I want to take the best of the East Coast diners and I want to take the best of Asian food and I want to put them
That's
together.
a concept.
Exactly that.
You ready to open another one?
No.
So I'm here on 3rd Street in Long Beach, California, in an area known as Belmont Heights. Now, 10 minutes that way, you're in downtown. 10 minutes that way, you're at Long Beach State. Now, I'm told that if this joint had been in business when I lived here, I never would have moved. This is Starling Diner.
We have the French toast with the seasonal berries today.
This place is my happy place.
Crab cakes up, please.
The food is just fabulous.
Roast beef hash, too.
It's homemade.
It's always good. They know what they're doing.
They is Joan Sampson,
Twice baked granola.
who started in the biz at age 10, running a snack shack out of her parents' garage.
Stuffed French toast up.
Then college took her down a different path.
I went to Rutgers University
What'd you go to Rutgers for?
for law.
You're an attorney?
I have a law degree.
Breakfast polenta.
But instead of taking the bar, she opened up some restaurants, including this spot in '07. Doesn't matter what you do, end up back in the restaurant. They just suck you back in.
I think it's just the love that she has for food and making the food.
Every dish has its own unique twist.
Hot roast bundle, please.
It's just phenomenal.
We're gonna do our slow roasted pot roast. It's wrapped in a tortilla with polenta and potatoes.
All right, well, let's get it going.
All right, we start by searing chuck roast in butter.
So we're seared off. Next step.
Then we add the mirepoix, which is celery, carrots, onions, herbs, rosemary, my favorite.
Full time. Bay leaf. Peppercorns.
Thank you.
Wow, and a lot of garlic.
A lot of garlic.
This is the stock from the last time this was made.
Absolutely.
I like the way you're rolling. And how much wine are you and I gonna drink?
And then salt and pepper.
Okay, wow.
Then we tuck it all in.
How long are we gonna cook it?
4 to 6 hours.
Got it.
275.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, we're making polenta potatoes. We've got mashed potatoes that we mix with organic polenta. We put them in the salamander to get that nice crisp top on it. Take the pot roast out of the oven.
Got it. It's looking sexy. Here we go with the potato polenta. That's nuts.
And then a layer of caramelized onions. Find some great pieces for you. Pour gravy inside, fold it, flip it.
And yet there's more.
Top it off with gravy. I'm gonna
Got
make
it.
it healthy
There we go. We're gonna waft it with some lettuce.
with a little bit of parsley.
Thank you. That just changed it all. The gravy is ridiculous. Creaminess of potato, texture of the polenta, the rich pot roast. It is a power bomb of flavor. Warning, don't eat this and drive. This is a coma item.
It's juicy, it's savory, it's wonderful.
Seriously, it's like your mother's pot roast.
I'm right outside of Leavenworth, Washington on Highway 2, and I look to my right and I go, wait a second, I'm not in New Jersey, but look at that beautiful, sparkling diner. I gotta check it out. This is the 59er Diner. And even though this old school spot has hit a few bumps in the road, owner, Wild Man Joe Canada, cheese stick, burger, keeps the joint rocking and rolling.
It's classic diner food at its finest.
Mozzarella sticks with homemade marinara.
The mozzarella sticks are so good.
The dipping sauce is out of this world.
Mozzarella sticks.
The mozzarella sticks are amazing.
The mozzarella is hot and fresh.
They crunch, they pull.
The marinara is really good.
It's like you take your mozzarella sticks very seriously.
We got an egg wash here. We're gonna throw a few spices in. Sugar, garlic powder,
Okay.
a little oregano, paprika, dry mustard, lemon pepper, black pepper.
It goes right in the egg wash.
Right in the egg wash.
Okay, you want some milk in this too?
Just a touch. Okay, that's good.
We have the beautiful mozzarella logs that were cut into the precise
5/8 of an inch, 5/8 by 5/8.
There you go.
Flour on them, then you gotta knock the flour off.
Went to the egg wash.
Into the panko. So you go
Okay.
like this, and then hit the ends. We're gonna batter them again.
The little roll thing is interesting. So it keeps it from being square. Now it becomes a little bit more round. After they set up for a couple hours, they'll fry at 350.
That's right. We're gonna serve them with some fresh marinara.
All right, Big Joe.
Throw a little olive oil in the bottom. It's all about garlic. Just a hint of brown in there, and the plum tomatoes. Very nice. A little more tomato.
He's doing exactly what you're supposed to do. You go and rinse these cans with water to get every little last bit of the tomato out of there. A little bit of the water in there.
A little salt, a little sugar, oregano, a little Italian seasoning.
And we'll let this cook down how long, Joe?
Just 45 minutes or an hour. Cheese sticks, a little marinara.
And that's all she wrote.
Ooh, that's gooey.
That's what I'm talking about. The fact that you can contain all the cheese inside of this without having the blowouts is outstanding, because that's one of the biggest challenges. You fry it just the right amount to where the cheese is melted, not too oily, and you still got really nice crunch. That's a legit cheese stick. So here I am, Buffalo, New York, about 5 miles northeast of Lake Erie, at a joint that was once a diner, and then changed into a Chinese restaurant, well, then transplanted from Pennsylvania, and then turned back into a diner. And guess what? That's not even the amazing part. These guys are, well, they're curing their own ham, they're corning their own beef, and they're smoking their own bacon. This is Lake Effect Diner.
Pulled pork, the real deal. Red-eye gravy going down.
Kind of unique in Buffalo.
Barbecue meatloaf, an upscale version of the old classic.
Blueberry pancakes.
You can really taste the difference.
Are there a lot of diners in Buffalo?
Not too many.
Not like this.
A 50s legacy
2 sunshines in a glass.
that Tucker Curtin
Italian sausage.
and his wife Erin brought back to life.
Table 24.
We went looking for the diner car, and we were able to resurrect it and put it back into service again.
Now this joint is smoking for real.
Ready to rock and roll?
Everything from turkey to bacon
Oh, it's so good.
to ham. So a boneless pork leg, and you're gonna make your own.
We're gonna make our own ham.
I don't think on Triple D yet we've seen anybody make a ham.
This is old school curing. We'll start with our brine, okay? About a gallon of water, some dried cloves here, black peppercorns,
Dry mustard.
lots of dried mustard, light brown sugar, made right here in Buffalo, New York, maple syrup,
Yeah, boy.
sodium nitrate here,
Offers nice color.
and then kosher salt.
Okay, bring that to a little simmer.
Yes, we're gonna get that into a rumbling boil. And then we'll cut our ham in half for the cool brine on top. And that's a 12, 14-day process.
And then it'll go to the smoker.
For about 3 hours. We'll also slow smoke the bones that we'll use in the stock for our red-eye gravy. Smoke those over mesquite charcoal. And we also burn apple and hickory woods.
Wow.
Sugars are starting to caramelize up on them.
Look at this. Just take a little looky-loo at that.
Isn't that beautiful? It's got that real maple.
Don't talk in the middle of it, just. And this is all for a breakfast item on a menu.
Correct.
A breakfast item.
One item.
One item. So now we take them, pop them in the oven, bring them up to about 145, finish the cooking process, take them out.
We got our bones, they're all smoked off. Got the fat nicely out of them. And now I'm gonna dump the pan juices in there.
Little mirepoix.
Carrot, celery, and onion.
Dig it.
Black peppercorn.
We are going to be straining this.
Yes, we are. Some kosher salt. Frank's hot sauce.
Wow.
This is the secret to good wings. It's also the secret to good red-eye gravy. Brindle of fresh thyme. Add some coffee to it.
Now, how long will this sit there and simmer?
For about 3 hours.
Strain it, and then be ready to serve with the ham.
Correct. Got our ham right here.
Slice them up.
Get that going on the flat top with eggs and home fries.
Egg, baby.
A little bit of our red-eye gravy here. Let me get these eggs, some of our home fries, and our ham on there too. A little more red-eye gravy.
I'm gonna hope you're gonna say that. This is very flavorful, tender ham for sure. Like a side of ham with some ham. Being raised eating red-eye gravy, I've seen a lot of different variations. I do think that I would like to have a cup of red-eye gravy to chug. Awesome, bub. Nice
Order
job.
up. Ham red-eye gravy.
Very good. Very moist.
Everything is really fresh, really homemade.
95% of the things that you guys serve, you make
Absolutely.
from scratch.
Absolutely. Order up. Our customers deserve the best. If we have the ability to provide that quality food, it's our job to do it.
So I'm here in beautiful San Diego, California, in an area known as Mission Hills. Now, I'm here to check out a diner that was once a bistro, and it's owned by a guy named Rick, but that's not the name of the diner, but it's his sister's name. But his sister's not actually an owner of the diner. I know this is really confusing, but I hear the food's great. This is Joe's Diner.
Meatloaf ready to play. It's not a traditional meatloaf. The glaze on here is just excellent.
That little pop of flavor wrapped in bacon.
Just crazy wonderful.
Joe's Meatloaf. California grass-fed ground beef.
Got it.
Some diced pasilla chili peppers. Pasillas aren't very spicy. Add a really nice flavor. Italian parsley, and then pecorino cheese.
This is a very interesting meatloaf at this stage.
Panko breadcrumbs, eggs,
Whole milk.
a little salt and pepper,
How much Worcestershire, Chef?
about a tablespoon.
I like the way this is going so far.
Mold the meatloaf, pop it out. We've already got our applewood smoked bacon laid out. Pull up the ends.
It's when the magic happens.
Flip it over into the perforated pan.
Looks like you've done that before.
For the glaze, you've got
Ketchup,
brown sugar, dry mustard.
hot sauce.
We're gonna glaze it.
So we cook it.
It's gonna be portioned. Pop it back in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes.
Now we're into
Demi-glace. We got beef stock, red wine, tomato paste, thyme, peppercorns, bay leaves, red onions. Bring it to a boil, strain it, let it reduce about half.
and then a little slurry to tighten it up.
Good to go.
The meatloaf is down.
Do a quick sear on both sides, and we got our garlic Yukon mashed potatoes, French green beans, country gravy, and then our beef demi.
Most diners, it's not like 80 steps to make meatloaf. It's fantastic. That's some of the most tender, moist meatloaf I've tried. This is my first time that I've ever had pasillas in a meatloaf. Between the pecorino and the pasilla, this has a ton of personality. It's like its own style of meatloaf. The demi's a nice little kiss, but the real star of it is that sauce that you've glazed on the outside. I mean, then you go into extra innings, adding in this gravy. The mashed potatoes are great, green beans are on point. You mask your French bistro energy into this American staple really well.
Thank you.
You can take a man out of the bistro, but you can't take a bistro out of the man.
I got the meatloaves for you guys right here.
It's extremely flavorful. The sauce that they put on top of it is just so delicious.
It's got a smoky taste from the bacon.
You nailed it, man. You've made this a contemporary diner.